My name is Chizkiah Amir Dromi. I was approached by Gedolei Israel, the rabbis, the chief rabbis in Israel.
In India, everybody have to sacrifice their hair at least once in their lifetime. Yes, they have to do.
I was asked to go in search of the source of the hair to be made into wigs and is spread out all over the world and comes also to Beit Israel.
There is no hair called Brazilian.
Okay.
Every hair is going from India.
Okay. Okay.
There is no such hair called Brazilian hair, Malaysian hair,
Okay.
something.
There is avodah zarah done with the hair before it is brought to be made into wigs. There was a great doubt as to exactly how the practice and what happens there in India. There are 1 billion Hindus in India. There are 500 million women with long hair in India. Every single one of them shaves their hair as an offering, a sacrifice to their avodah zarah.
More than 70% of the source only from Tirumala.
From Tirumala. Apart from this, what is the big source, sir?
We have small other temples are there. In South India, many temples are there.
Okay.
So not like Tirumala. It's medium sizes.
Mostly from South Indian temples. Okay.
But the main reason that they come to this temple actually is for the offering as a sacrifice of their hair to their idol, avodah zarah. The moment of shaving, they are actually offering their sacrifice to their avodah zarah. They said, we don't care what they do with this hair after we have given it as a sacrifice already. The moment of the shaving is the moment of the sacrifice.
He's selling in the market, that is a business. I know very well.
Yes.
But my mind says that I am coming, I give a saving hairs, I give him gods. That's my things, my mindset, my heart say.
One of the names of the many gods there, they repeat this name again and again while being shaved.
And when he's having, I am pray for the gods and saying Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. I am saying that I am pray for the gods.
Govinda, they will pray.
They will pray.
They will pray and they will say Govinda, Govinda.
Whoever want to see the god, they have to come here and they have to give their hair as an offering to the god.
Hills, Balaji. To the Lord only we should offer.
Yes, he is saying that it is a kind of holy sacrifice to the god they are giving. Once they fulfill their desires, they will give as a sacrifice this hair.
Before the God only they share.
Sacrificing of a hair is a holy sacrifice. Why?
The reason that they come to offer their hair is because their God wants this hair. It delighted him when he received the hair, when he was hurt and wounded. They all give this as a sacrifice to their avodah zarah, their idol. The razor shaves the hair. This is the moment of the offering.